Hello friends, so this is a small update on the Emacs system that I have. So on the Emacs itself, so it's often useful to use the system with the Anaconda and everything. So here I have the system monitor, and as you can see the overall RAM consumption is about 2.7 GB. I have 4 GB of total memory. And while running the Anaconda, I oftentimes had seen that the overall consumption goes very much close to that full memory. So in order to change that, I had to do some changes. And one of the things that I had done is that I've installed the Unity desktop and the reconfigured the GDM3 to lightweight. So this is some changes because of this. You might see in the system previously to what I had. The icons and everything looks different. And overall I have seen that whenever I'm working on my peak, even in that situation, like multiple shell commands and everything is running on, still the overall system RAM is still within the check. Even though I'm using Firefox and multiple tabs are open there, and also the Python is also running with the Anaconda mode and everything. So that has helped me out. At the same time, I would like to share you a simple change in the command in the startup front for the Emacs to use the python3. So instead of using directly the Python itself, like we need to change this variable Python shell interpreter mode to python3 to make sure that the shell that whenever we are opening something in the Python, it opens in the python3, not in the Python 2.7 by default, which would be the case. And at the same time, on the top of the hashbang line also we need to change it. Let me show you if I have some. I have an example for this one. Okay, so by default something like this will always come if you do an auto completion of the hashbang, and this is not the Python actually, so we want to have by the way, you need to check your Python wherever it is installed. So if it is not correctly installed somewhere, it will be wrongly pointing to. So something like this we would like to have actually. So if you have this hashbang and user bin python3, it will by default it will take it there. But even if you have the environment as Python and you have defined the environment variable to this Python shell interpreter variable to python3, it will make sure that it goes to the latest version itself. So that's the two simple things I had to show it to you. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll publish some new videos content pretty soon, I believe. So as of now, take care everyone.